Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rakesh Patel, gastroenterologist, Fortis Hospital. Today I am going to talk about how to keep our gut health or the digestive system good and healthy. The most important thing is to have a disciplined life. Disciplined life does not mean getting up at 7 and having food at regular intervals. With the present fast-paced life, the most important thing is to eat when you are hungry, to eat to your full, to eat what is naturally available, and avoid junk food, avoid aerated beverages, avoid taking lot of non-vegetarian food, especially red meat, because it's known to cause lot of gut diseases, especially colon cancer. So eating adequate calories, most of it coming from natural sources, drinking adequate amount of water, having good exercise almost 30 minutes a day, not eating before going to bed is going to keep your gut healthy. Now the question is for the modern day people how to adjust to this kind of lifestyle. The only thing I would say is whenever you get up, whatever you do, just calculate your calories, or you need not even calculate, you can just eat till you are full, and whenever you eat a balanced diet, lot of proteins, carbohydrates and fats. Fats are essential. People today go on to different kinds of fat diets. We don't need fat diets. What we need is culturally right and geographically right diet. Example, a South Indian fellow will continue to eat idli dosa in the morning, and a Gujarati fellow will take dokla or whatever undia and thepla in the morning, because that's genetically, geographically, his gut is tuned to that. The gut health is maintained as per the geography. So the fad of Mediterranean diet in a tropical area is a questionable thing. What is important about the Mediterranean diet, a lot of people talk about, is that it is predominantly vegetarian diet. It is predominantly not overcooked diet. There is no fast food involved. There is no very less amount of salt and very less amount of refined sugar. So the main poison of food is refined sugar, fast food, too much of salt, non-vegetarian food, predominantly red meat. For everybody, the formula of good health is, good GI health is to eat healthily, geographically relevant and genetically relevant. Not to starve for too long and not overeat. Moderation of alcohol, no smoking, and lots of green leafy vegetables and fruits. Thank you.